In this video, I want to address why sometimes you might get two coaches and how to use them versus a single coach feedback. Now we can see from the screen that I am displaying that we have two coaches providing feedback, in this case on a landing page that I fed to it. Each coach is defined separately, but the coaching organization may choose to display two coaches at once rather than just one coach. You may or may not have that choice. In this case, we can see that our coaches are both the Achieve and SAB executives, and we see an icon of both of them. We can choose them individually, and a single icon will appear, which means that we would get the standard single coach feedback. If there ever are multiple coaches available, then the output will be in two columns as we're showing here. And the information that they provide, since it's coming from the same organization, will typically be complementary to each other. This can give you better feedback than a single coach might. You obviously, if you have single coaches available from the same organization, you may choose to feed them your documents, your videos, whatever the case might be, and get individual feedback, and then run it again with the other one and get feedback on from them. But with this way, you can see a side-by-side comparison of what the two coaches are saying so that you can implement the strategies that they are suggesting accordingly.